If you are using ChatGPT and suddenly this happens, you can't upload an image, you're not alone. I ran into the same problem, and in this video, I'll walk you through 3 quick fixes that work 99% of the time. Let's get started. Step 1. Update the app. First, open your Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Search for ChatGPT. If you see an update button, tap it. This solves the issue for many people because OpenAI pushes small bug fixes after a major release. Once updated, try uploading an image again. If it still doesn't work, move to Step 2. Step 2. Clear app storage cache. Sometimes the app just gets stuck. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, ChatGPT, Storage, Clear Cache, Clear Data. On iPhone, you can offload the app from Settings and reinstall it. This resets corrupted files without touching your account. Log back in and check if image upload works. Step 3. Use ChatGPT on the web. If all else fails, use the web version. Go to chat.openai.com in your browser, log in, tap the little plus icon or upload button and select your image. The web app often works when the mobile app is glitchy. You can even try generating prompts like, "Can you extra this image?" or use some prompt you want, just to make sure uploads are working, or you can try to upload directly from your camera, it also works. So quick recap: 1. Update your ChatGPT app. 2. Clear cache or storage. 3. Use the web version. If this video helped, drop a like so others can find it, and subscribe for more quick AI fixes. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.